Hey everyone, today I will show you how to save custom outfits on Roblox. And here's how it is done. Open Roblox and go to your avatar. At the top of the screen, click Customize to access your inventory. Make sure you are not in the marketplace. To save your current outfit, go to the left hand side and click on Characters. Click the plus sign or man with gear icon to create a new character or outfit. You can either update an existing character or save it as a new one. Choose Save as New and give your outfit a name. Click Save to confirm. To switch between outfits, simply click on any saved outfit, and Roblox will automatically load everything you have previously saved. Now you can easily create and save multiple outfits to use in Roblox. That is everything you need to know about how to save custom outfits on Roblox. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.